Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install games and apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, you have the choice to download apps via Play Store or the Galaxy Store. So let's first take a look at the Play Store. So tapping on the Play Store will open up, and before you can download any app, you need to sign into your Google account. So tapping on the top here will allow you to sign into your Google account. If you haven't got an account already, you can create one. Now here you can see I have already signed in. Once you have signed in, you can now proceed to download a Games app or just general app. At the bottom here are tabs. You can tap on Games tab, Apps tab, or Books. So if you want to download games, you can tap on the Games app. In the Games app, at the top here are different tabs. So you got For You, so suggestions for you based on your usage and based on what Google have learned from you. Top charts, so games that is in the top charts. So top selling, you can tap on that. And it can suggest app by top selling, top grossing, or top free apps. And then if you swipe across, you got other devices, apps that can also that are compatible with other devices as well. And then you got kids, app for kids, and then you got premium app. So premium apps in here, and swiping across will also show the categories tab. In here, if you tap on the categories tab, you can browse for app by category. So you can browse for app by action. So tap on action, it will show all action apps. Or if you tap on the back key, then you can browse for app by adventure, arcade, board, card game. So if you tap on card, it will show apps or the card game app in here. Alright, so tap on the back key, we'll go back. And for apps, if you tap on apps, you can browse very similar to games for apps. It will show you suggested apps for you, top charts, kids, apps that is suitable for kids. So you can browse by age, ages up to 5, ages between 6 and 8, and ages between 9 and 12. And here, again, you got categories. Once you tap on categories, you can browse for apps by watch apps, watch faces, Android Auto, art and design, augmented reality, auto and vehicles, beauty, and so much more. Down here you can browse through the list. So for example, if you like to install a games app, you can go in here, and for kids, so tap on the kids tab, scroll down and find an app that you like. And then here we've got kids math games, so tap on that, and then tap on install. So there is a drop down, so if you tap on that drop down, you can choose which devices to install on. So you can choose on this device or other devices that have signed into your same Android device, your Google account. So tap on the install button. Now the app will go ahead and download and install the Math Kids app onto your device. Once the installation is completed, you can tap on the play button to open up the game. You can also access the app by simply going into the app screen. In here, swipe across and go to the last screen page. And here you can see it shows Math Kids. So you can open up the game, the app from the app screen. Okay, so now we go back to Play Store and see if you can install all the apps. So tapping on the back key, we'll go back to the main page. In here, you can also use the search function. So if you have a particular app in mind that you want to install, you can use the search function. So let's try to look for an app called Street Fighter. So here it has a suggestions from the list of suggestions. You can tap on an app that you want to install, and then you can install it. So here I've typed in Street Fighter, but it does not show in the list. So I'm going to remove this family and then tap on the back key. So I'm going to tap on For You because that is for kids, and Street Fighter may be deemed to be inappropriate kids in the kids section, so it will be available in the For You section. So in here I can type in Street Fighter, and this time you can see it shows up at the bottom here that I can install. So I can tap that and then tap on the install button, and that will go ahead install the app. You can also view the installation progress by having a look at the status bar at the top here. So if I go back and install another app, this one right here, so maybe this one. So when you install it, it will show a progress bar at the top here. And there it is. Some games can take a while depending on how large it is. If it's a big game, the installation can take hours, so you can always view the progress from the status bar at the top. When installing the Games app, they may not appear on your home screen or in your app screen. Instead, it will be grouped into one location called Gaming Hub. So here in the app screen, you may want to navigate across and locate Gaming Hub. If you open up Gaming Hub, you'll see that all the games will be placed in My Games down here. So if you tap at the bottom, all the games will be grouped into My Games. If you want to view the Games app in your app screen, then you need to go into Gaming Hub, and in here tap on the More button at the top, then tap on Settings, then we go down and tap on Show Game Apps and choose in Gaming Hub and the Home and App screen. By default, it is set to in Gaming Hub only. So after installing the Games app on your device, you may see that it does not show in your app screen. So you have to go into Gaming Hub to turn it on. After that, it will appear in your app screen. Okay, so let's do another example. So I'm going to go into Play Store again. So and this time we will not install Games app. Instead, we will install just a general app. So we tap on Apps, and let's say you want to install one of the maybe WhatsApp. I think I already have WhatsApp in here on my device. So I already have WhatsApp. Maybe we install another app. So perhaps we go down to say Art and Design, and then we find an app to install. Canva, for example, we can choose that and then tap on Install. And then we got Amazon Shopping, which is already installed on my device. And we're just going to wait for that to finish. Okay, so once it's finished, you can tap on Open directly from Play Store, or you can open it from the app screen. So we go to the last screen page and tap on Canva to open up the app. Additionally, from using Play Store, you can also use Galaxy Store. This is a Samsung version of Google Play Store. So in here you can view apps by games or by general apps. In here we've got feature app, themes, exclusive. So it works very similar to Play Store. Some games are only some apps are only available in Galaxy Store, and some apps are available in Google Play Store. Also, you can install Games app directly from Gaming Hub. So if I go in here and open up Gaming Hub, and in here if I go back out, I can browse for apps. In here in the browse screen, I've got in the recommended section, I can go through here and install an app or training games. I've got some puzzle game there, Water Sort Quest, so I can tap on that. And from here, I can also add it to my device. So here is an instant play, so I can play it instantly. Or if I scroll down, I see I can check out any other apps that I like, and I can download them. So arcade game. So maybe if this one here. So they are pretty much instant play. Let's see if I can download any app. It's not instant play. Okay, so after looking, I think all the games in the Gaming Hub are instant play. So you can play them straight away. You don't need to download them. So you can just tap on it and then tap on play now, and that will allow you to play the game immediately without downloading the whole game. So in that aspect, I suppose the game will be small. They are quite easy to play. They're not complex in nature, and does not require to have a separate download. But basically, that is how you can download and install games app and general app on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or even the S23. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.